Every day, around the globe, hundreds of thousands of businesses owned by Mongolians provide products and services to consumers. However, they face certain difficulties. First, advertising products and services efficiently and effectively with minimal return on investment. Second, no central informational platform to search for products and services all in one place. Websites, newspapers, classifieds, words of mouth, and so on. Third, same products and services, some expensive, some cheap, some good quality, some bad quality, difficult to make a choice. To solve these problems, Project Ficus was launched. 1. Through Ficus, business owners can advertise and promote their products and services. 2. One centralized informational platform for consumers. 3. Consumers can rate and review products and services. What else does Ficus provide? Do you have something to sell, or looking for something to buy? Check out the classified section of Ficus. Advertise your sale, promotion, discount, event, activities on Ficus. Get access to Ficus reporting service to get monthly reporting on how your business is doing. Become a Ficus tier member and get its full benefits. Regular, silver, gold, premium. Ficus is willing to partner with any companies, organizations and individual. Ficus, focusing on your success. Become a Ficuser today.